morning, students. Today we are going to learn operations on fractions, that is first operation addition. Now first addition of fractions. I have taken one example with two methods we are going to learn it. So method 1. First of all, I write down the question 4 2 by 7 plus 1 3 by 4. These are mixed fractions. So it's having whole number 4, it's having whole number 1. So first thing is what? We can add this whole numbers 4 plus 1 separately. Plus again, now we have to add 2 by 7 plus 3 by 4. This. So we have got 4 plus 1 here 5 plus now here we'll add 2 by 7 plus 3 by 4. This we can do it by cross multiplication. 5 plus will take like this way. 7 and 4 are the denominators. 7 into 4. Write the denominator, common denominator. Now this becomes the common denominator. 7 into 4. Then this cross with this. 2 into 4. Plus sign you put middle. Then 3 into 7. This cross first, then this cross second. 3 into 7. 3 into 7. Now, it is equal to, this is equal to 5 plus in the bracket here, do all the multiplication. First one, denominator 7 4 is 28. Next 2 4 8 plus 3 7 is 21. Yes. Now I have 5 plus. Now this you add 8 plus 21 is 29. 29 by 28. This is an improper fraction. It can be converted into a mixed number. How? That is by division. Equal to 5 plus. Now it is 29 by 28. So 29 you divide by 28. 28 1 is 28 minus 1 is the remainder. So it is 1. Then this coefficient 1. Then here put to the middle sign here bar. Remainder 1 by 28 only. Now this is equal to as whole number. Again, how we had added here whole number 4 plus 1. The same way I can add here whole number 5 plus 1 6. So it is 6 1 by 28. Very simplest form. This is over. Now method 2. Method 2. Method 2 here. I will take the same question 4 2 by 7 plus 1 3 by 4. Here these two are mixed fractions. So I will convert them into improper fraction. So multiply plus 4 7 28, 28 29 30. 30 by 7 I get. Plus 4 on the 4, 5, 6, 7. Multiply plus 4 on the 4 plus 3, 5, 6, 7. 7 by 4 I got. Now on directly how we have done here cross multiplication, the same way we will do cross multiplication. So 7 into 4. Then do this. Cross 30 into 4. Plus sign middle, then this into this, 7 into 7. So this is equal to as 4 3 is 12 and this 0 put here. It is 120 when I multiply plus 7 7 is 49 upon 7 4 is 28. So this is equal to as, now add these two numbers, it is 9 4 5 6. 169 by 28. Now, this is an improper fraction. I can change this improper by division. That is 169 divided by 28. Now 28 how many are? Very nearest we will see. We will see suppose 5. 5 is the 40, carry 4, 5 2 the 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. No, still one more number we have to see. 6 are 6 8 the 48, carry 4, 6 2 the 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Yes, very nearest we got. That means it is 6 is 168. Remainder is 1. So therefore, this mixed number 169 by 28 will get converted to as whole number quotient 6, put the line, remainder 1 by 28. Same for method 1 also we got the same answer. Method 2 also we got the same answer. So this is addition of fractions. Second, examples of addition of fractions. Now see. Here in this example I have not taken any coefficient here. So or whole number is not there. Method 1. Method 1. So here I will write down the question 4 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. So 4, only 4 will remain here. In the bracket, whole number 4 comes out. 5, 4 plus it is. Plus 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. Now 4 plus, do cross multiplication. Here denominator 5 into 8. Now cross multiply 3 into 8 plus 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So I get 4 plus bracket. Here do all the multiplication. 3 8s is 24 plus 5 5s are 25 upon 8 5s are 40. Now this is equal to 4 plus, here in the bracket you add, that is, now I'll put the bracket, 24 plus 25 is 49 upon 40. This is an improper fraction. Again we can convert it into mixed fraction. So this is equal to as 4 plus, now mixed this converted by division, 49 divided by 40. 41 is 40, remainder 9 remains. So it is whole number 1 and put the bar denominator 9 by 40. So whole number 4 plus 1 5. 5 9 by 40. This is the answer. Now method 2. Write the question 4 3 by 4 plus 5 by 8. 5 by 8. Now there is only one mixed fraction. So convert this into improper for method 2. Sorry, this is denominator is 5. I have taken the question wrong. So 4 3 by 5 plus 5 by 8. Now multiply plus. So 4 5 is 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 23 by 5 plus 5 by 8. So this is equal to, now do cross multiplication directly. 5 into 8. Denominators, now cross multiply. 23 into 8 plus 5 into 5. 5 into 5. So this is equal to as, now 3 8s is 24, carry 2, 8 to the 6 is 17, 18. 184 we get, plus 5 5s is 25, upon 5 8s is 40. Now, this is equal to, this you add it, 5 plus 4 equal to 9, 8 plus 2, 10, 0, carry 1 here, it will be 2. So 209 by 40 I get. This is improper fraction. Now divide and convert it into a mixed number. So 209 divided by 40. So 40 into 5 you do, 500, 5 4s are 20. 200, very near to 209. So 5s are directly, it is 200, subtract 9 is the remainder here. So therefore, the whole number 5 is the answer. Now write the mixed number, that is remainder 9 by 40. So 5 9 by 40, this is the answer by the second method. By the first method also we got 5 9 by 40. So this is addition of fractions.